People used to believe that AI could never be smarter than humans, but we know today that is no longer the case. AI can invent, AI can create art, and AI can work autonomously. And if you watch till the end, we'll even reveal how AI is building inventions for orbiting spacecraft. Let's delve into it. The DABUS fractal food container is one of those wild futuristic ideas that came straight from the mind of an AI. DABUS, an autonomous AI created by Dr. Stephen Thaler, was built to think creatively, and it came up with this food container inspired by fractals, those intricate, self-repeating patterns you see in things like snowflakes or broccoli. Here's the cool part. The container's interior could adapt to whatever you put inside. Its fractal-like walls would expand or shrink to fit the food perfectly, leaving no awkward air pockets. This design didn't just save space, it also helped keep food fresher by evenly distributing temperature and moisture. Plus, it used high-tech materials with nanosensors that monitored the food's condition, preventing spoilage and even slowing down ripening by regulating gases like ethylene. The container was also eco-friendly, made from recyclable or biodegradable materials. But the real drama, legal debates erupted because DABUS, being an AI, couldn't technically hold a patent in most countries. Some, like South Africa, recognized it as an inventor, while others simply said, no way, only humans can do that. Even though it's not in our kitchens, yet the DABUS fractal food container sparked major interest in smarter, more sustainable food storage. It's a great example of what AI can dream up when left to its own devices, and it's got people rethinking what creativity and inventorship really mean. Another invention people thought AI couldn't create came straight from NASA. NASA's AI-designed antenna is one of those whoa moments in engineering. Instead of sticking to the usual design process, NASA used an AI system, specifically an evolutionary algorithm, to come up with something entirely new. The AI basically worked like nature, starting with random designs, testing them, and then evolving the best ones over several generations. The end result? An antenna that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It's not the sleek, symmetrical structure you'd expect. It's jagged and branching, almost like something you'd see in nature. But that's what makes it so cool. Every curve and twist in the design was optimized for maximum performance, like stronger signal strength, lower weight, and fitting within NASA's tight specs. This antenna wasn't just a fun experiment, it actually flew on NASA's ST-5 mission. Its lightweight, efficient design helped save costs and boosted performance in space, proving AI can create things we'd never think of. The best part? This wasn't a one-off. The success of the AI-designed antenna has inspired more use of AI in engineering. It's a great example of how letting AI think outside the box literally can lead to some mind-blowing innovations. Speaking of mind-blowing, generative adversarial networks are a cool AI concept where two parts work against each other to create something new. You've got the generator, which starts with random noise and tries to create realistic data. Then there's the discriminator, whose job is to figure out if the generated data looks real or fake by comparing it to actual data. These two systems are in a constant battle. One gets better at creating and the other gets better at judging. Over time, the generator learns to make its creation so realistic that even the discriminator can't tell the difference. GANs are behind things like deepfakes, generating art, and even creating music. They can also help in fields like data science by making synthetic data when real data is hard to come by. The tricky part, getting the generator and discriminator balanced, or else it can mess up the results. Quantum AI is making big strides right now, and people thought it could never be done. Google recently introduced Willow, a quantum chip designed to advance large-scale quantum computing. Sandbox AQ, a quantum startup from Alphabet, has integrated its quantitative AI models into Google Cloud, improving data processing in industries like finance. Meanwhile, Quantum Blockchain Technologies unveiled its AI Oracle model for Bitcoin mining, increasing efficiency by 30%, either by cutting energy usage or speeding up mining. These breakthroughs show how quantum computing and AI are merging to create powerful, more efficient solutions that could transform industries like finance, cryptocurrency, and beyond. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are cool tech that lets you control devices with just your thoughts by connecting the brain directly to the device. There are two types: invasive ones, where electrodes are implanted in the brain, and non-invasive ones, where sensors are placed on your scalp. A big name in this space is Neuralink, which is working on a BCI to help people with paralysis-controlled prosthetics or even communicate just by thinking. And all of this will be sped up with the introduction of agentic AI. Agentic AI is all about giving machines the ability to make their own decisions and take action towards specific goals without needing humans to constantly intervene. It's like AI that can think and adapt to new situations on its own. You see it in things like self-driving cars, robotic process automation, and even military drones. While it's super powerful, it also comes with some big questions around safety, ethics, and accountability, since these systems can make decisions without us always being in control. For the longest time, people thought that humans would never build fully autonomous vehicles. But now you can get a robo-taxi by clicking a button. For land vehicles, Waymo is making self-driving cars that already offer ride-hailing in certain cities. On the air side, Joby Aviation is working on an electric aircraft that can fly autonomously, aiming to make urban air travel quicker and more efficient. Both are pushing the boundaries of transportation, making it safer and more eco-friendly. Emotionally intelligent machines are AI systems that can recognize and respond to human emotions, making interactions feel more natural and relatable. They do this by analyzing things like facial expressions, voice tone, text sentiment, and even body signals. A great example of an emotionally intelligent machine is Replica, an AI chatbot designed to engage in deep, empathetic conversations. Replica uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand the emotions behind what users say and respond in a way that feels emotionally supportive. It can detect subtle cues in text like frustration or happiness and adjust its tone accordingly. AI is really changing the game in drug discovery. It's helping identify new drug targets, screen compounds, design better molecules, and even repurpose existing drugs for new uses. AI helps researchers identify potential drug targets by analyzing massive data sets, including genetic information and protein structures. By recognizing patterns and relationships that humans might miss, AI can pinpoint biological pathways involved in diseases, making it easier to find where drugs can have an impact. It's also paving the way for personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on a person's unique genetic makeup. Companies like DeepMind, In Silico Medicine, and Benevolent AI are at the forefront of this. Exscientia and Atomwise are also using AI to design and discover new drugs faster than ever. NASA uses AI to design spacecraft parts in ways that push engineering boundaries, creating lighter, stronger, and more efficient components. One of the main tools is generative design and evolutionary algorithms, which mimic natural selection. These AI systems start with random designs, test them for performance like strength, weight, and durability, and refine the best ones over multiple iterations. The results are often unconventional, such as branching or jagged shapes, but they're highly optimized. AI also plays a key role in simulations. It helps test how parts will handle extreme space conditions, like intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and mechanical stress, ensuring the designs are mission-ready. Additionally, AI analyzes massive data sets to recommend materials that balance strength, durability, and weight, crucial for spacecraft where every ounce matters. For example, they used AI to create an antenna for the ST-5 mission that looked pretty unconventional but worked perfectly for signal transmission. AI has also been used to design heat exchangers with intricate lattice-like structures to improve how they handle temperature. When it comes to structural brackets, AI creates these web-like designs that are super strong but use less material, It's even been used to optimize fuel tanks and design landing legs that absorb impact forces on planets like Mars. These innovations are helping NASA build smarter, more cost-effective spacecraft. Here's another video AI enthusiasts loved watching. This is AI Exposed, demystifying the world of artificial intelligence, one video at a time.